already fucking dropped some pistos. Okay, this is gonna be my first time filming you guys today on a bike ride. 420. To let you guys see what other things I do. You know I don't show much. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you see everything. But we're gonna go on a bike ride today with a group called Mellow Mondays. Ride with them every Monday. I have a group that we ride on Wednesdays called Sucio Wednesdays, and then there's one on Tuesday called Cherry Tuesdays. The majority of us are all gonna be there. Not like everyone from their group, but everyone, a little bit of each from each group, and maybe some other ones. But I want to get you guys to see the bike scene, bro. It's pretty cool, you know? I guess you could say I'm fully into it because I host the whole bike ride. This one, since we were in high school. Oh, hold on, let me take this shot. It's a RYD. This video is probably just gonna be only that, and just, you know, the whole day about it. So I'm gonna go meet up with the homie. We're gonna kick it a little bit. Bertha. Or demanded to check up on her. Hear it out. Let's get out of here.
This is what peak male performance body looks like, right?
This is my best friend right here. Wanna go eat CGK or what?
That's not till 5, fool.
Well, let's go eat at 5.
Alright then, let's go blaze it. I got your weed in my car.
That's right, that's right.
2-week-old bud.
The fucking flea. You fools don't even know. Fish has been everywhere, homie. The workhorse right there, perro. I know the video is about to be about bikes, but I cannot show you the widths, homie. Check the big boats. We big boating out here. Fucking look at this, alright? Don't look at this. Look at this right here, boy. Look at what. We're in the big barrios, homie. For the meantime, we're gonna catch a little vibe. Feel me?
Where are you at right now? Guess where I'm at? No, I'm at the Joe.
The old local. Hey, can you see these fucking knees work? Hey. Hey. All fucking sad, look at them. Thank you.
Sorry. Do y'all want some ketchup?
You got the Canarian? Who gave you a fucking Canarian, eh? Eh? Pig Latin, eh?
Let's get it.
How you doing? Chilling. What's up, Rob? How you doing?
Good. Just recording.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my YouTube going a little better. What's up, you guys? What's up, dude? How you guys doing?
What's up, Victor?
Chilling. What's up, you guys? What's up?
Two pitches
What's up, Jane?
What's going on all week?
Chilling.
What's up, man?
What's up with you?
Yeah.
What do we have today? 420 rides?
Yeah, it's a 420 ride. Mellow Mondays edition. First time around. Usually never falls for us on a 420, but there's a couple other rides out there, you know?
We get all the fucking potheads out tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, you got our jerseys on? Let me see. Serio? Damn. Tell him sipping and dipping too.
Sipping and dipping
Yeah,
outside.
hell yeah. Fuck the metas, homie. We take it back old school. Food with GoPros y todo. What's up with you guys? Yeah.
Too risky. Movie time.
Oh shit.
Miles on these motherfuckers already. So dirty there. What's up, brother?
It's good.
Chilling. Your homies?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
You got the fucking
Fucking Susos in the house. What's up, papa?
fucking Ruri in the house.
420, baby.
You
Ya
already know,
sabes,
they were
sáquenla y
about
quémenla.
Damn.
Good fucking well-being representing.
Let them know, dude.
On the 420, Jake. Hey,
Yeah.
that's fucking. That was an accident too, huh?
It's not even accident. It was accidentally on purpose, you know? Yeah. Show them the grills. Red
Clean teeth, homies.
Good.
Good, pops.
And hold on. Wait, this is my homie right here that takes pictures too. Look at the
Yo, what's
fucking
up?
setup
What's up?
too. Look at the setup, dude. Come on now, stop playing with him. And what do we have right here too?
Yeah,
What
what's
is this
going
right
on?
here?
Objective Legends Penguin Card Shop. We got sports, TCG. We got fucking all kinds of good shit. We got playoffs going on right now. Yo,
I'm gonna check
it
it
out.
out. Real quick. Can I get a video of your shop so I can show everybody?
Yes. Let me turn the lights on.
Let the man let us in himself.
Welcome to Witter Bello.
Yeah. This is where you guys need to come for anything, bro. I'm not even kidding you. This is the fucking man himself. Anyone, anywhere, bro. He'll be here ready to serve you. Anything you need for your bike. Let me take a look around, bro. I'll show these people. Whatever you need, bro. You guys need handlebars. You guys need tires, tubes, whatever. We got you. Even if you just need a tune-up, you know, or you don't even know where the fuck you want to start. You want to get your shit together. Like, look at this. Oh, and RCs too. I forget. You could have told me that one too. Though. Look, don't even be shy. He don't want to be shy about showing this habit. This week is down with this shit too. He has rock climbers and everything too. Support your local bike shops. Support your local shops, bro, in general.
Me and this dude,
These are the guys right
fucking
here.
in the street, fucking. They were in a car.
The whole roster
I don't
too.
know which car it came from.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, they must have lost like $300, bro.
I was sitting there and this got like no. I was like, I'm not a rider. I'm a runner.
Awesome, buddy. The homies fixing the chain. And like the same wheels. Why you guys rocking the same wheels, bro? Fuck you. Nah, these are different. These are better here. The cosmetologist. Oh. Fucking Gilly. Damn, you already fucking dropped some pistos?
Hey, you better drink
Fuck.
it, Hey, you better drink it, bro. Racers, watch the game.
Go. Go, Edgar, hurry the fuck up. Don't make this like that. Alright, we're gonna hit the Alright. Well, you came like 5 seconds out.